Hey, how's it going?
Not bad, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, just a bit tired from work. How's your day been?
It's been pretty hectic, but I'm managing. By the way, have you made any plans for the weekend?
Actually, I was thinking of going hiking. Would you like to join?
That sounds great. I've been wanting to get outdoors. Where are you thinking of hiking?
I was considering the nearby nature reserve. It's beautiful and not too far from here.
Perfect. What time are you planning to start the hike?
I was thinking of an early start, around 8 a.m. Does that work for you?
8 a.m. works for me. Should I bring anything, like snacks or water?
Water would be a good idea, and maybe some sandwiches. We can have a little picnic.
Great, it's a date then. We'll have a fantastic time in nature this weekend.
I'm looking forward to it.
It's always more fun with company. See you on Saturday at 8 a.m.
See you then. Have a good rest of the week.
Dialogue 2.
Hi, how's everything going in your new job?
It's been quite an adjustment, but I'm starting to settle in. The team is great.
That's awesome to hear. What kind of work are you doing there?
I'm in marketing, mainly working on social media campaigns and outreach.
Sounds interesting. Are you enjoying it so far?
Yeah, it's been a good experience, but it's been keeping me busy. How about you? How's your job going?
It's been all right, but I've been thinking about some changes. I might want to pursue a different field.
Really, what are you thinking about changing to?
I'm considering going back to school and studying environmental science.
That's a big shift. What's motivating this change?
I've always had a passion for the environment, and I want to make a positive impact.
That's admirable. I'm sure you do great in that field.
Thanks, I hope so. It's a bit scary, but I think it's worth it.
I'm sure it is. Pursuing your passion is always a good choice.
I appreciate your support. Let's catch up soon and talk more about this.
Dialogue 3.
Hey, have you been keeping up with your workouts lately?
To be honest, I've been a bit inconsistent. I need to get back into a routine. How about you?
I've been hitting the gym regularly, trying to stay in shape. I find it helps with stress too.
I totally get that. I need to find a sport or activity that I genuinely enjoy.
Well, there are so many options out there. What types of activities do you like?
I used to love playing tennis, but it's been years since I picked up a racket.
Tennis is a fantastic choice. We should find a court and hit some balls soon.
That sounds like a plan. It would be great to get back into it. When are you available?
How about this weekend? I can book a court at the local tennis club.
Saturday works for me. What time should we meet?
Let's say 10 a.m. We can have a good workout and then grab a bite to eat.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for getting me back into sports.
No problem. It's always more fun with a workout buddy. See you on Saturday at 10 a.m.
See you then. Have a great week, and I'll see you on the court.
Dialogue 4.
Hey, have you ever tried cooking a new recipe from a different cuisine?
Not really. I usually stick to the same old recipes.
You're missing out on some amazing flavors. I recently tried making Thai green curry, and it was delicious.
Thai green curry. That sounds complicated.
It's easier than it looks, and the taste is worth it. Let me share the recipe with you.
Well, I do love Thai food. What's in it?
You'll need coconut milk, green curry paste, chicken or tofu, and some vegetables. It's all about the spices and herbs.
It does sound interesting. What's the first step?
Heat up the coconut milk, then add the green curry paste and stir. After that, you add the protein and vegetables and let it simmer.
Simmer for how long?
About 20 minutes. You can adjust the spiciness by adding more or less curry paste.
I'll give it a try this weekend. Thanks for the recipe.
You're welcome. Cooking new dishes can be so rewarding. Enjoy your culinary adventure.
Dialogue 5.
Hey, have you thought about buying a new house recently?
Actually, I have. I've been thinking about moving to a bigger place.
That sounds exciting. What's motivating the move?
Well, our family is growing, and we need more space. Plus, I've always wanted a backyard.
A backyard would be lovely, especially if you have kids. Have you started house hunting?
Yes. We've been checking out some properties in different neighborhoods.
Any particular area you're interested in?
We're leaning towards the suburbs. It's quieter and offers more space for the budget.
Suburbs have their charm. What are some must-have features in your new home?
Definitely a spacious kitchen and a playroom for the kids and, of course, good schools nearby.
Good schools are crucial. It sounds like you've got a clear vision.
We're trying to be as prepared as possible. Any tips for the house hunting process?
Research the neighborhoods, visit properties, and take your time. Don't rush the decision.
Solid advice. We're excited, but also a bit nervous about the big move.
It's a big step, but it can be so rewarding. You'll create new memories in your new home.
Thanks for the encouragement. We'll keep you posted on our house hunting journey.
I can't wait to hear about your new home. Best of luck with everything.